Jacob all here. I realize I'm standing like a pirate. Okay, so a buddy of mine, Cooper Custom from Canada, sent me some stuff. He sent me one of his Rafter Hook holders and his cup holder. These are not CNC. These are handmade on his machines with his hands. That's why they're handmade. So this is a quick tip for you. I'm going to show you how to install these on a Packout. It's pretty simple. Let's start with a cup holder. We're going to come over here. Camera person doesn't listen. So I'm in America, so all I have is America mints or Freedom mints. So we're going to pop this guy off. Very simple. To get access to the frame that clamps the rail. Then we're going to grab another one of these American tools. It's probably the wrong size. We're going to pop these puppies out. Okay, so we're going to take the bracket over to the Packout. I'm going to slide this around your rail. Tell me that will not fit the top. Okay, so depending on where you put this, if you're going to put it on one of these, there's enough room to just slide it around it. But if you're going to put it on this one, which is where I plan on mine, you need to take this bar out first. Just a normal Phillips. Drop it down. Slide this behind. Put your screw back in. Your hair grab. Okay. Go ahead and get a screw in here started. And I'm doing it evenly because I want this gap to look uniform, but I'm also cinching this down onto that aluminum extrusion since it is a press fit so that it's meant for this bracket to not slide off. And I'm just going back and forth. You want to turn this to one hand ugga dugga. Okay. Now we're going to grab the cup holder ring. Drop a screw in. This is why you put this front relief. All right. The only thing left to do on that one, grab your beverage of choice. There you go. All right. Next one. She tries to figure out the gimbal. This one is his Rafter Hook. It starts with the same general design. This is his first version of the Rafter Hook, which worked great for smaller tools like this. But he has a new revised one that has a bigger hole, because if it's going to go on a big black Packout, you need a big hole. Okay, so we've got it halved. We've got the new one with the big hole. Let's grab our screws. Come on over here. So you see how this one, I didn't have to take the bar out because I had more room to get it in. Now see, that one didn't want to square itself. So I sort of tighten the side down first to get it to square. And now I can just finish it the rest of the way. Okay. So what's this for, you ask? Let me show you. Okay, so first option, your heat gun, which perfect if you think about this, because I know somebody that right now at our house, every time she uses the heat gun, burns a hole in our insulation. So you can hang that there. Next. The fuel super sawzall. See how that hangs there nice and well? Heck, you could even hang that out of the way. I'm pretty sure you could just carry it around and like that. And people would just wonder how your Sawzall floats. Rafter hook. If you've got a poor non-super Sawzall, you can use that one too. It's fine. Just go straight in there. Right, that one uses the same style hook. And then the piece over resistance, the big hook. No problem. Swings out of the way. You could probably even go through a doorway. The nice thing about something like this is you can have your tools sitting there out of the way and you can just get up and go. Back in. Easy. Boom. So again, these are from Cooper Customs. He is out of Canada. He's got a new website. Can you see that fine? There you go. F yeah, Betty. Buddy. Betty? Who's Betty? Oh, what the heck is Betty? But yeah, sweet stickers, sweet products. He's got other rail mount setups, and he hand makes these. These are not CNC'd. So if I missaid that, I missaid that. So these are sweet little setups you can get from Cooper. He's also on Instagram. Check him out. Hope you like this quick tip. So, I just lost my shoe and she can't figure out how to operate the gimbal. But I'm the Jacob Hall and we are a class act, so pack out. Hi. Start it. What the f is wrong with you?